What is up, everybody? It's your boy Walkie Mandu, and you are watching the Wrenchtrenchers Garage. And today, well, what we got going on is we are going to go ahead and get back on the Durango. The thing is with the Durango is that it's been a few weeks since the last time I had it on the lift. I put it on the lift, I tried some things, did some things. Me and Teggy G went to the junkyard. And that's right, we found this thing, front diff, as in because that front diff on here is complete and total garbage. It has been destroyed one way or another. I don't know how, but we're gonna take that apart and figure it out. And we're gonna put that one in there. Now this one had a leak right there somewhere. See, it's a little wet. So we're gonna go and change all the seals on this guy. I mean, when I say all the seals, we are changing all the seals on this thing. And the oil pan is leaking pretty bad on this guy. So when this comes out, I'll be lifting it further up, and we're going to be taking the oil pan off of this thing so we can fix the gasket there. Now this thing has a really bad rear diff leak back there. It's already on the ground, you can see it. That's really nasty brake fluid in there. Yeah, the vehicle needs a lot of work. So basically what I'm gonna do is go ahead and throw you guys on the time lapse, and we can start taking these wheels off. While that's going on, we can start doing some diff stuff again. So see you in a bit. Okay guys, so it was a slight bit of a struggle getting this thing off, and that is mainly because somebody thought it would be a good idea that instead of using proper hardware, they just kind of stuck one of these things down in here in the caliper, in the top part, and it just kind of just stuck in there like that. It wasn't screwed down, it wasn't bolted down properly, it was just in there, and I don't know why somebody just put that in there, and it just went through. It just, all it does is this. So I didn't know if it was stuck in there or not, so I didn't mess with it. I just took the bottom one out, which is, you know, it's one of these hex styles like this. I guess the person who changed it couldn't find one or something, I don't know. But that probably messed everything up. The pads are actually in decent shape. The rotor isn't in bad shape either. I think I can probably get away with these rotors and pads still. That caliper, I don't know. So, I don't know. It looks like somebody at one point replaced the bearing in here. And I don't know if that's still good or not based on what just happened. So, I don't know. Some of the other stuff looks okay. I'm going to take those three out because we're going to take this whole knuckle and move it out of the way. I have to take out the axle as well. And that axle has been replaced. You can tell it's pretty new looking. So I don't know if I'm going to reuse that axle and maybe just get another one for the other side, or just use what I got on all of it from the junkyard for right now and then put that to the side in case I need it. We're going to see. I'm going to try to spend the least amount of money as possible on this because I'm woo boy, am I am definitely in a hole right now. You basically got to take the diff out to get to the oil pan anyway. So once it's all out and I have good clearance, I'll go ahead and just do the oil pan gasket while I'm at it. So yeah, it's going to be a long one, guys, so sit tight. jerry rigging heck is this? What in bolt fastening heck is going on right there? But it's a bolt with the nut, and it looks like a lug nut at that. I don't know what kind of, and it's something, and then there are washers, and then behind, I don't understand what this is. I don't understand why that's even a thing. Why, who does this? Alright, I gotta take this apart. I just got up from a little nap. I needed it bad after cutting the grass and sharpening the blades for the lawnmower and messing with the air compressor, getting that working, and cut, you know, just this. I did a lot today. So, but I also got the chance to finish this right here. So I got all the sides broken down. I know I didn't have to break down the sides as far as I did, like taking the calipers off, but I did want to test things and make sure I took everything apart that I could, because I don't know with seeing all the stuff that's going on with this vehicle, I figured I should explore as much as I can while I'm in there. And then of course I took this guy out at the junkyard. It only took like 20 minutes. Didn't take long at all. And you know, and I probably could have done the same thing here, but I kind of wanted to investigate to see actually what went wrong so I can avoid it in the future as well. I ended up got me a nice little energy drink. And what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get started pulling this diff out of here. So, yep, here we go. Well guys, yeah, well as you can see, yeah, this diff is this diff screwed. This diff is pretty well flubber nut. Look at that. Good God. Oh man. Chunks like that coming out of it. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's busted. Yep, I'm gonna finish cleaning this stuff out and try to get this diff out of here. I needed something a little more heavy duty. Alright guys, I guess now is as good a time as any to go ahead and unbox what I was going to unbox on the last video. Well, I guess I'll just do it now. So what we have guys right here is a high lift transmission jack. It is an 1100 pounder and it came from Harbor Freight. And basically what I'm going to do is use this bad boy to help me take that diff out without killing myself. I'm pretty strong. I'm a pretty strong man, strapping young lad, and I probably could take that out and without this thing. But safety is the issue here. Things have happened where, you know, these things can, you know, if you slip or if you do anything wrong, this thing lands on your foot, it's over. You're out of the game. You're out of the game for a while, and I don't want to be out of the game. So I'm gonna use this to kind of help me out to avoid any type of slippage, because I like my toes, I like being able to walk, and I like my fingers. It's the only set I got, so I try to protect those things. So here's some wheels for it. See, wheels. And I don't see any instructions, so obviously this thing was made for men. We look at the pictures and figure it out. Found the instructions. Yeah, this can't be that difficult to put together. Safety, don't need that. They just give you a diagram. They don't even give you step by step. All right, fine. Let's get this thing out of here. My beat down, really dirty Osa Tools glove. I've been abusing these poor things. These things didn't have a chance against me, but they've been holding up, so can't really complain. Alright guys, I'm just beat down, dead tired. Even after the nap, I'm still really tired. So we're gonna end this for today. Then gonna end this video for now. So thank you guys for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget about the Zazzle store if you are into the height of fashion, which is anything with a Wrench Trench logo on it. You guys keep wrenching. Wrench Trench out. Peace!